Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to share tips and tricks to quickly navigate between sheets in Excel. Step 1. Right-click Sheet Navigation. At the bottom left of your screen, right-click the Sheet Navigation buttons. A list of all sheets in your workbook will appear. You can either click a sheet name and press OK, or double-click the sheet name to jump straight to it. Step 2. Use the Sheet Navigation pane, Excel 365. Go to the View tab and select Navigation pane. On the right, a panel shows all sheets in your workbook. Simply click a sheet name to jump to it. You can also type the sheet name in the search bar at the top to quickly find a sheet. Step 3. Keyboard shortcuts. Next sheet. Hold Ctrl and press Page down. Previous sheet. Hold Ctrl and press Page up. First sheet in the workbook. Hold Ctrl and press the left arrow. This brings the sheet into view. Click to select. Last sheet in the workbook. Hold Ctrl and press the right arrow. This brings the last sheet into view. Click to select. And that's it. With these tips, you can navigate large workbooks much faster. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.